Hi everyone, my name is David. I'm a Play Frontier from the Genesis Group, and today I just want to give you guys a real quick market update of what I think is going on in the market with Bitcoin. Now, I told you guys in the previous video, back when Bitcoin was actually down, when 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the fifth candle, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I did say that I expected the sixth candle to be a little under or a little above. Actually, no, I expected the fifth candle to be a little under or a little above. Rather, it's going to be a small red or a small green. However, it was green, and it is actually even a bigger green candle than I expected. And it finally broke. It finally broke that 49,700 mark. And, you know, from the very beginning of this run, you know, I said I expected Bitcoin to go from, what, like 48,000 to like 52, 53,000. And I'm going to tell you where I kind of really just expect Bitcoin to stop. All right. And I really have to look at this right here. So I want you guys to see this. And before we start, let me bring out the calculator to be more exact. Okay. Now, here, this is back in 2016. The top was $1,300. It went down to $450 and went up to $1,100. So let's look at that. 1,100. Okay. Divided by 1,300, that's about 85%. Again, 1,100 divided by 1,300. Okay, so about, let's say 85%. It's 84.6. All right. That's the numbers. Now, let's look at this one. This is 2017. It goes from 20,000 all the way down to 11,000, pops back up to 17,000. Okay. 17,000 divided by, you know, it was almost 20,000. Well, what do you know? It's another 85%. You guys see something going on here? Now, once again, I'm not saying everything has to be exactly the same. Not everything's always the same, but, you know, history doesn't repeat itself exactly the same, but it rhymes. So, what do I expect here? Well, let me tell you what I expect. Bitcoin hit $64,918. So, okay, if we hit it like that, let's say $64,915 times 0.85. Well, not divided by, times 0.85. Oh, okay, so here it could hit about 55,000. All right, and that's before I even looked at these charts. I said about, you know, 52 to 53,000. So Bitcoin could go up to about $55,000. Okay, and that's the reality of it. Oh, let me get out of that chart. Okay, so right now it's at 55,000. You know, if it follows previous chart patterns, we're looking at Bitcoin going around 55,000 and then just boom, seeing a pretty good drop off. All right, because you saw what happened after it hit 17,000. You saw what happened from 1,300 going down to 450 back up to 1,100. Okay. So, yeah. Now, another thing that I want to show you guys. That's actually, this is a gold chart. I'm into gold and silver. But anyway, look. Here's another thing I want you guys to look at is this. This is like the psychology of the market, and a lot of people might think we're on the thrill part. I'll buy more on margin. And a lot of people think we're in euphoria. I'm a genius. We're all going to be rich. I think really we're here on compliance. We just need to cool off for the next rally. This is where people think, but we're towards the end of the compliance and it's getting ready to just slowly go down to anxiety, denial, and panic. The reason why I say this is look at this. You go up, you go down about halfway, maybe more, and then move up. Up 20,000, down to 11, 17,000. $11,450 to $1,100, or $1,300 to $450 to $1,100, right? That's 2016, 2017. Well, let's look at this on the weekly. What do you see? Is a similar chart pattern. All right, almost 65,000. We went down to 30,000, more than 50%. Hold on, let me... Under 30,000 on this one, more than 50%. We're about to hit maybe 55,000. Okay? And then after that, it's going to go down. Look at the pattern. Look at the down part. Look at this part. After you go up, look at the down. Look at the down. And that's pretty much what I see in the charts. You had a high up, went down, coming up, and we're heading back down. You know, that's what I see. Now, I'm not your financial advisor. I'm not telling you what to do. I could be wrong. I could be completely wrong. Maybe we're on the thrill part of that psychology. I don't know. I could be wrong. All right. Right now, KOK-COIN still having a little issue right here with the news feed. I want to really bring you guys the latest update on the news feed, but you know, we're having some problems over there. But it's okay. What do I think will happen with KOK-COIN? I think KOK-COIN chart is still looking solid. All right. As you can see, we're on an uptrend. You see higher lows, and overall, you're kind of seeing higher highs on the small highs. On the big highs, we're pretty much locked in at a little over $2.33. And so the chart still looking good. You haven't really seen any real down. Like you never seen KOK-COIN go down 50%, 40%, nothing like that. You know, just the overall charts right now, we're continually making higher steps up. You know, if KOK-COIN makes the next move, when we were around $2.50, then KOK-COIN should hit around like $3, $3.25, and then level off above $2.50. Just like this time when it hit around $2.15, it jumped up to that $2.40 or a little more actually, last time I recall, and then it leveled off above $2.15. That's always been the move of KOK-COIN, and until it changes, like I've always said, it is what it is until it no longer is what it is. All right, so I hope all of you guys enjoy the content. Okay, if you're new to the channel, you know, please hit subscribe, hit the bell, share it with a friend. And if you want to join KOK-COIN, go to Play Store, type in KOK space PLAY. Download KOK-COIN, and you're going to need a recommendation code. Please use mine, QAABIRWL, QAABIRWL. You know, I do expect Bitcoin in the next month, or not even within a month or two, to really just start heading down. You know, it's going to hit that 20, forget going back down to 30,000. I think it's going to go down further to 20,000. But that's farther down than a couple months. But once again, I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just telling you and showing you guys what I see in the charts. Okay. But if you're in KOK-COIN, it's an excellent hedge against inflation. As you can see, just check out the video I made about KOK-COIN being an excellent hedge against inflation, and how there's deflation in the sense that the KOK-COIN coins currency has gone strengthened so much that the products you can buy on the shopping part of the digital content platform has gone down to the coin price, right? Because it's been going up. And yeah, everyone, we're doing good. Okay, everyone, stay blessed. God bless. Coke on.